Hi guys, we're about to go we're about to go away. NEC tomorrow, but travelling to the campsite today. Before this vlog starts, make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm doing new videos, and welcome to the vlog. Alright guys, I'm just packing my bag now for the show, for the NEC, and I've got to take this with me because otherwise I won't be able to have the battery pack in case we lose film, like for filming. So yeah, and this is my bag. So it's not got much in here. It's got my purse, it's got like the charging cable, so yeah, I don't need much, but the battery pack will go in there, my phone will go in there, so yeah, it should be fine. But yeah, nearly there. So update, it is such a beautiful day and we are going to be heading off very shortly to the NEC, which is about 40 minutes away. So yeah, I'm going to try and capture some interviews today, so stay tuned and I will film the journey. Take care guys, more to come. So we just arrived and yeah. This is the coffee guide. You can see what's in today. Hopefully I can catch some of this.
There is actually meant to be a Cornish pasty.
Oh, really? I'll have to get some food. It's done a lot of walking. Very interesting so far too. So guys, that's just showed me this. It's a Randall and popcorn from a film, isn't it, Dad?
Series.
Yeah. Literally.
Sun down for that.
2 days.
And they played this little 2-minute sizzle.
So these are the stuff. This is the stuff I bought today. I bought like a Batman car, Hot Wheels Batman car, and I bought like a Wheelers Dealers mug, which is actually very camper van-y. So I'm gonna like keep it in the caravan. So when I go away with Dad in future, I'm gonna be drinking out of it. So yeah, it was a good day. And yeah, very good. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog. I think that's all I'm going to film. I'm not going to film the journey home, but I just thought I'd like do that because the main vlog was basically to do with the car show today. But if you enjoyed the video, then make sure you like it and subscribe, and there will be more videos to come. Okay, bye guys.